At this point, the figure is still a little bit wet, so I can't work too much more today. My fingers will get stuck in the cotton and pull some of it off, so I need to allow the figure to dry. But I have a base layer over the wire, which will make sculpting the detail parts a little bit easier. I have done some repositioning on the wire. I sat on the floor and positioned my legs in different ways to see how I wanted to place the legs. Because at this point, while it's still a little bit wet, I have a little bit of adjustability in the wire. I think I mentioned before there will come a point where this is very dry and then I can no longer move the sculpture around. So while it is in this pliable state, before I start putting the detail in, I think the next stage is to sculpt the face so that I have an idea of where the hand is going to be placed as it's holding the pot. And then once I have that, I can work downward through the rest of the figure. I left a little bit of this wire uncovered because I think the arm might be too long and I might cut this off. So we'll let her dry and we'll be coming back in video 3 to do the next stage, which is, as I mentioned, the face. So thank you for watching. I will leave a link below to video 1 if you missed that. This is going to be a whole series of how the sculpture is being made. So video 3 will be out as soon as she is dry and I can work on the next stage. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.